Most people pick a bank like they pick a gas station. Close by, easy, and open when they need it. But the smarter move is picking a bank like you are picking a future reference. One day, when you ask for a credit card, auto loan, or personal loan, that bank may already know your habits. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Discover how to choose a bank that fuels your future growth. Learn why reporting to bureaus matters. Find out how to build relationships before borrowing. See why credit unions can be your best ally. Get your action plan for smarter banking choices. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Reports to the bureaus. The bank sends your account activity to credit reporting companies. Relationship bank. A bank that may consider your account history with them when you apply for credit. Credit union. A member-owned financial company that often serves a community, job group, or membership group. Secured credit card. A starter credit card backed by a cash deposit. Overdraft. When you spend more money than you have in your account. Risk profile. The full picture lenders use to decide how risky you look as a borrower. Now, let's jump in. Here is the big shift. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. That means your report is like a report card for money habits. Lenders look at payment history, balances, accounts, age, and risk signs. A good banking relationship can add another chapter to your story, even before you apply. Think of your bank like a tree you plant. You do not plant it on the same day you need shade. You open checking and savings, keep deposits steady, avoid overdrafts, and let time pass. Later, when you ask to borrow, you are not a stranger knocking on the door. You are a member with history. Do not just ask, "Is this bank popular?" Ask better questions. Do they report credit cards and loans to the major credit bureaus? Do they offer secured cards, beginner cards, auto loans, personal loans, or credit builder loans? Are the fees low? Do they have a pattern of approving their own deposit customers? Credit unions and relationship banks can be like small-town neighbors. They may look at more than a score. If they see your deposits, your savings, and your steady account use, they may understand you better than a lender who only sees a cold application. That does not mean approval is guaranteed. It means relationship can matter. A lot of people think any bank account is the same. Not true. Some banks are great for simple checking, but weak for credit growth. Others have high fees that drain your money like a leaky bucket. And some do not report certain products to all bureaus, so your good habits may not help your credit story much. Here is the recipe. Pick one strong bank or credit union. Open checking and savings. Set up direct deposit if you can. Keep a small savings cushion. Avoid overdrafts. Use the account every month. After some history, ask about a secured card or starter loan that reports to the bureaus. 850 AI helps you think like a lender before you apply. It can help you review your credit picture, spot risk signs, prepare questions for banks, and build a plan that fits your current profile. The goal is not to chase random approvals. The goal is to grow roots where your future credit can grow too.